So you've been out looking for property and you've found one that you really like, but it says it's a condo and you're not sure that you want to do that. What are the perks of owning in a condo development? So of course, one of the negatives that you'll hear is that there are monthly dues. But I want you to think of that differently, because the benefit of you paying those monthly dues is what they give you. And often, especially if you're looking at a condo with a development that has associated assets with it, meaning pools or tennis courts, or the ability to be part of a golf course, or the ability to have other access locations such as access to lakes or access to a private campground at that development. Those benefits are often worth easily what those dues are. So I wouldn't say that you should eliminate condos from your search, but you definitely need to figure out what are the amenities that those dues that the condo offers to you, because quite often I think that you will find that they add significant value and easily support those dues that are going to be charged.